Hey guys, I'm Ziki. Welcome to HEC Fashion Heda Factory. HEC Fashion values collaboration and home-like atmosphere, so everyone here are helpful and friendly. I just can't wait to show you guys my home Heda and introduce our bag manufacturing process to you guys. Let's go! This is our factory showroom. The certificates we displayed here is GRS and also some certificates from the third-party audits, including ISO 9001, SADC, and BSCI. When our clients come to Guangzhou to visit, we always invite them to our showroom, selecting the products that they're interested in. This is our sampling room. Every modifications about the sizes and shapes can be done here. While we have impressive teamwork here, along with innovations and attention to details. Follow me. Hi, Mr. Yu. Mr. Yu is using the CAD system to make the paper pattern according to our client's requirements. When our paper patterns has been finished, our machine will cut the paper patterns automatically. Mr. Tong is making mock-up right now. Thank you, Mr. Tong. Perfect job! Well, now we're gonna to test the mock-up on our model to make sure the size is appropriate. The size is perfect. Hi, Mr. Shen.
Hi.
Now it is your turn to cut the material according to paper patterns. Well, we have a variety of materials here. For example, PU, canvas, and nylon. Wow, nice job. Thank you. Now let's move to the next step, the edge painting. Just be patient to wait the paints to dry. When all the pieces are ready, we are going to move them to the stitching machine to assemble the pieces together into a bag. The last step is installing the hardware. Ooh, nice job, thank you. Now our bag has been finished. Last but not least, we take photos of our new products here and send them to our customers for checking. Wow, nice job! So this is how we produce a new product. Here is our warehouse. Every materials are placed orderly and neatly on the shelves. Here is our swatch sheets. Each swatch sheets are placed in order and has its own number. Let's look inside. Well, inside our swatch sheets is like this. So we could make sure all the material could find easily and take out accurately out of our warehouse. This is our materials rolling machine. Hi, Mr. Deng.
Hello.
Well, Mr. Dunn is now inspecting the material quality to make sure the quality is okay. All our materials has its own QR code. Look at that! So we could make sure they're stored safely and accessed easily. Our manufacturing process is highly efficient thanks to a variety of advanced machines. If you ask me which one is my favorite, this one definitely, because it could scan the pattern automatically and cuts perfectly. When all our material has been cutted, we will check each pieces one by one. These are our fabric folding machine. Here is our workshop. Every workers are work pretty hard in high efficiency. And now I'm going to interview our workshop manager to ask about the capacity of our bag this month. Hi. Hi, Miss Wu. Wow, I'm very curious about the bag capacity this month. 请问这个月的总产量是多少呀
？30万嘛。
Wow, tremendous number, amazing. Give me 5. Wow. She just told me that we produce 3,100 bags this month. This is our QC department. When bags are finished, our QC team will check each bag one by one to make sure all of them are of satisfying quality. And the bag with defects will be sent here to checking and to remade. OMG, look at this bag forest, it's so pretty. All of our qualified bag will be sent here to wait for packaging. Here is our packing department. Look, our bag is well packed with stickers and hand tags. Do you know why? Because we wanted to avoid any damaging or missing during the delivering process. Now our bag have been put into cartons. They are ready to be shipped to different countries, so where are they going? Well, this batch will travel to Argentina, and this groups of products will travel to Mexico, also France, Germany. Yeah, our customers are from all over the world. This is our meeting and study area. Now our manager is holding a meeting to summarize our work this month and discuss how we could promote our progress in the future. Our partner Ocean Vivian manufactures eco-friendly and recycling materials, minimizing petroleum sources. While their material has 3 key features: ODMF, solvent-free, bio-based, and also GRS series. Today I'm going to introduce 2 bio-based materials, which are all made by plant fiber. The first type is made by 100% of pineapple fiber. It's pretty cool because the texture is amazing. And the second type of products is made by 80% of beech fiber and 20% of polyurethane. The texture is amazing too. While our HEC Fashion will continue to collaborate with Ocean Vivian to design more eco-friendly products, which aim to build a more sustainable world together. Just wait and see. Last but not least, welcome to our HEC Fashion Heda factory. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.